Hey guys, may tanong ako sa inyo. Gusto niyo ba ng pampapayat, pampaganda, and pampabata? Meron akong sagot para sa inyo. FitGum Organic Barley. FitGum Organic Barley is a mixture of three. It has organic barley, it has glutathione, and it has collagen. So, panalo to para sa ating mga babae. I've been drinking barley since I gave birth to my second. And after, syempre, giving birth, di ba, nag-gain ka ng weight and kailangan mo mag-lose ng weight after you give birth. Napansin ko lang when I do drink barley is that nawawala yung urge ko to binge. And when I'm stress eating, yun yung mga kalaban ko. So when I drink FitGum Organic Barley, I know that I'm helping my body transform my waistline. Some other benefits of barley is that it helps regulate your blood sugar levels, and it also helps lower your blood pressure. Tawag ko nga dito, it's the trio, it's the golden trio, kasi you have your superfood barley, and then you have glutathione, and then you have collagen. So, panalo siya in all aspects. Now, what I love most about the barley is that, well, this is organic barley, so the aroma is super nice, and it's super easy to prepare. Anything that's organic, super fan tayo dito. Now, FitGum Barley is now a staple in my healthcare routine because of all the benefits that it has. You know, another thing that I love about barley is that it helps with constipation, and that is a huge step towards your weight loss journey. FitGum Organic Barley also helps with your body transforming the fat into energy. So guys, with FitGum Organic Barley, I'm sure you'll be able to reach your weight loss goal. Syempre, with exercise, and with the right diet and this supplement, you'll be able to reach that goal. Try FitGum Organic Barley. Bye!